guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna try out new series on this channel wherein I'll be trying out new products, new art forms, artworks, different things because I thought my channel was getting monotonous. So again, we are going to start with painting part only, but for today's video we are going to try out premium poster colors. Now you must be wondering what's so special about premium poster colors. This is the set I'm going to talk about. It comes in a set of 12 with 15 ml bottles. It also comes in a set of 20, but I bought the 12 one. But what I'm trying to say is that as kids we have all used the green Camel poster colors that set used to come. But trust me, that set and this set has hell and heaven difference between them, because to be honest, I have used it in the past and I know what kind of result it gives. But after you use this, you will actually forget about the impression you have in your mind about the poster colors, how pathetic they are. I literally had started hating them, but I thought, why not, let's just give it a shot, because actually a lot of people talk about this product. To know my complete review on this, you need to watch till the end. A lot of people actually compare this with Gouache, and to be honest, it's quite similar to it. So let me know if you would like to see a comparison between the two in an upcoming video. Also let me know what other products and art forms you would like me to try out in front of the camera for the first time. And like, share, comment, subscribe, and you need to watch till the end to know everything. So watch till the end, and now let's get started. So we'll start off with painting the sky, for which I'm using cobalt blue and Prussian blue along with white. Of course you'll need a lot of white for this painting actually. So we'll be creating a monochromatic sky, for which after you have applied the sky blue color, you can start by using this technique of blending, that is, use the darker shade later on. So I'm applying that and merging it, and if it doesn't merge, what you can do is use white and blend it in. That's the best technique. Now to show the part which has like sun in it, so we'll be using kind of pastel yellow color. So I couldn't really get it, but it's somewhat like you need to use yellow, vermilion, or let us say poster red along with lots of white. So you have to blend it in along with the sky blue color. Now while I was merging these colors, I realized that the poster colors are little difficult to merge than gouache. While I was using poster colors, the previous green packet that I was talking about, the box, that used to create a lot of patches. It does not create those patches, but again it becomes a little chalky as compared to a gouache painting.
Little.
Now we'll be creating the sand part of the beach, for which I'll be using ochre yellow along with white. To create a little bit of texture and shade to the sand, you can run a flat dry brush which has a little bit of ochre in its tip. You can run that and it would create texture. So since I was facing a lot of problem in blending, not a lot of, but kind of little more than what I face in gouache, so I always used white color to blend different colors in. And also I would like to mention that if you are a beginner and you're looking for gouache painting, or you want to try that out and you find it little expensive on the higher end. So I would say you can go ahead and buy the premium poster colors. They are quite economical, first of all. Apart from that fact, it will actually give you the feel that you're working with gouache. Now when you upgrade to gouache after working with premium poster colors, you would realize that there is a slight difference, but there's not huge difference. There are a lot of people who love like premium poster colors over gouache, so that is a different, like, whole different thing. Not, I can't even imagine, but I still have a little more soft corner for gouache, not gonna lie, but then I can switch between the both. Also, I'm not lying. Now for the clouds, I'm using a soft, or let's say pastel purple color now that I've created using Prussian, or let us say cobalt blue, along with a little bit of red and crimson red both, with lots of white again. And the other, that is the orangish part, that is to create shadow to the clouds, I have used vermilion, or let us say poster red, along with yellow and white color to give that shadow effect.
Brian Little.
So in order to give a more realistic view to the beach, I'm creating waves, and along with water at the edge of the sand part. So if you watch the tutorial, you'll understand, but still I'm using dark purple color, or let us say violet color, in order to create the lines, the waves, and the main color is the opaque without. Try using less of water whenever you're working with gouache, or maybe like premium poster colors. Yeah. Since the whole purpose or the idea behind starting with this series is to let you all know what exactly I feel about the product, the art form, the art style, whatever it is. So to be honest, I didn't expect the premium poster colors to turn out this way. These are amazing for the price you are paying, and of course the image and the impression that I had in my mind about poster colors has actually vanished, because trust me, you actually gotta try this and then thank me later for not asking you to invest in a gouache, because gouache are on higher end, but premium poster colors do the job quite well. They do a decent job. So I would say go ahead, if you haven't tried gouache, first of all go ahead and purchase premium poster colors, and that would do the job amazingly.
Brian Little.
lastly we'll be creating the sun, and voila, there you go, you have your painting ready. And yes guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next, what other products you would like me to try, art forms, anything. And I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.
Ryan Little.